Welcome to part 2 of the vlog. Hope you all enjoyed the video.
Really ready to get the day started, get ready to give Rylan his bottle. We have a lot. We have an early morning doctor appointment for the boys. I have to go to the small business workshop from 10 to 1. And then Raylan has an audiology appointment to check his hearing because he failed the hearing test 3 times. So we're going to go check out and see what's going on with his hearing. So we just got a lot going on today. So I'm checking in now. And you guys can join me for the rest of the day. This is my current dilemma. I'm not sure what to wear. They didn't give a dress code. So I picked these pieces to wear today. And I'm not working with my full closet. So it's very hard to pick something to wear. This outfit here with this little blousey tank, I guess you could say. Only problem is it's really cold right now. And I really don't want to wear that. But I do have a sweater I can put on top of it, but I don't like the fit of this shirt on me. And I just have a nice pair of blue jeans here. Or I could go and do slacks. I have a pair of slacks here in this top, where it kind of dresses down the slacks. Then I have these 2 separate pieces. I don't know if I would pair them with jeans or a pair of slacks. I don't know. I just really like this little thing here. And I have a really, really casual outfit of some jeans, decorative jeans, and some jeans and this little shirt here that I got. So, I'm not sure. I'm not working with a full closet, so this is kind of frustrating to not know exactly what to wear to this event. I'm not working with a full closet, so it's frustrating to not know what the dress code is. But I guess you couldn't go wrong being too professional. And there's Rylan, so I gotta go. Good morning, Ry. Good morning, man. What's going on? You helping mommy pick an outfit? You ready to go take your bath and ready for your doctor's appointment? Headed to Raylan and Rylan's doctor's appointment. We are a little late, but hopefully we get there.
Has your big brother been good to you?
Yeah.
He said no. Well, he answered for you, but he didn't gotta say nothing now.
Oh, my head.
14 inches. I know.
You don't want any bugs. We made it to the doctor's appointment on time. He's trying to tell what they did to him already. What they do? He had to go on the scale. He ain't making it. It's okay.
What happened?
He's trying to tell Raylan all about it.
You were sharing your passy with the giraffe. That's how I do that.
Just seen by the doctor. They gave us this little 2-month-old paper here to look in for info. And now we're waiting on the worst part ever, the shots. I'm not ready. And he's hungry, so I hope they'll hurry up so we can go ahead and get him fed. 11 pounds and 8 ounces. By the way, I didn't have my phone near the scale, but he's 11 pounds and 8 ounces. So he's growing really, really well. He's 23 inches and he's 2 months old. That part is done. Get ready to get him back dressed and get him something to eat because he's starved. It's turn. Need to go to the bathroom.
Alrighty, thank you.
You're doing so good, Bugs.
One more thing, we're gonna beep at your ear. This is fun. See this picture? Well, he has middle ear fluid.
Okay.
So you don't need to go to an audiologist.
Okay.
Because he will fail.
Okay.
When we did his hearing test today, he failed. He's gonna keep failing until the fluid behind the eardrum goes away.
Okay.
So right now, what I'm seeing is I wanna treat him again for an ear infection with an antibiotic.
Okay.
So he hasn't been on an antibiotic.
Getting ready to head out after the appointment. Sanitizing your hands, very good. Thank you so much. Come on, buddy.
Smell my hand.
I see, they smell good. Smells like sanitizer. Sticker? You want to put it on or what? It says great patient. Where are you putting this?
No, that's okay. For my.
I see. But it says great patient. Why are you taking your jackets off? Here, do you want this sticker or are you giving this to Rye?
Because I've always been an entrepreneur. This is who I am. So everybody has their crack or their particular thing that they're wasting money on. I wasted my hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars or whatever on trying to do business. Businesses are legal entities. In other words, even if you get your EIN, I'm going to talk about what that is if you're not aware of it, and some other things, you need to know what's going to keep you out of trouble. One thing about America, we love to sue each other. We sue each other at a quick heartbeat. All you got to do is turn on TV, you're going to get 5 lawyer commercials an hour, right? Everybody's trying to sue everybody all the time because that's the way you're making money from somebody, right? So you need to make sure that the business that you're in not only is it set up correctly, but if something happens, that you're going to have a minimum amount of exposure. Also, in terms of exposure and whatever could happen to you, will be your next entity, which is your insurance. A lot of people aren't aware of insurance. They hear about it, but they don't think about it. Now, if you try to get a lease at a commercial place, they're going to want you to have what we call general liability insurance. What we think about is what we call every industry has some type of local group, like the doctors have AMA, lawyers have the bar. All these groups have certain things. 2 or 3 things on that. Number one, collectively, they know how that industry works because that's what they represent. They know who the lawyers are who are in that business. They know who the accountants are in that business. They know what insurance companies are. So a lot of times, if you, let's just say I'm in a trucking, I talked to a guy yesterday about trucking. Go to the ATA, the American Trucking Association. And if you're trying, they can tell you everybody who's in this area who's involved with trucking, from the lawyers, accountants, etc. You save yourself a lot of time because you're getting it from the horse's mouth that way. Another area is Chamber of Commerce. Because Chamber of Commerce is basically a collection in the area of different businesses who have, come together for whatever reason. A lot of people say, well, I don't want to waste my money on the Chamber of Commerce. Well, a lot of times you're going to make your contacts through them. Not with your customers, you're actually getting the people that you want. So basically, that's my business 7. And the reason I always do it first, a couple years ago, remember when we had that snowstorm, I guess it was something like March, about 2 years ago? I was teaching this class up at the time that they were located on the 19th floor. And I just got to my business 7, and somebody stuck their head in the door and said, they're closing down the building because there's too much snow out there. But I said, hey, it was a successful seminar. Why? Because I gave you basics. So we don't go any further than that. You got some basics. So recap it. Business 7. What business am I in? Who's my competition? What's unique about my business? What's the relevant background, both administratively and operationally? What are my written plans? Where do I get my money? And who's going to help me run my business?
Just made it back home from the small business workshop. It was very informative. Learned a lot of new information, and I'm ready to start my business. I know that the first step is to get an employee identification number and set up my business account, and then I'll be ready to kind of get started with this whole thing. So I'm excited about this. I'm excited about this new venture in my life. Yep, here's Raylan. And I got Rylan here. I'm feeding him. Then I'm gonna go upstairs and change and work on my blog and work on, I guess, the YouTube for the boys. Since my mom is here, I have a little bit of time to work today.
I can do it upstairs.
Yep.
Maybe I might have to do it. See me or the mommy and Rowley. My whole family is still my life. Bye.
That's what I wore to the workshop today. I just put on a little gray blaze and put on off-white shell. And then I have my black slacks here. So this is what I wore to the small business workshop. And I found that I wasn't overdressed, that I was dressed appropriately. So I'm glad that I chose this outfit versus wearing the jeans. It has been a long, long day, but I'm happy to be here, just spending some time with Rylan. My mom and Raylan went to the laundry to wash clothes. I'm having some time with Rylan. I still have to do some schoolwork later, make dinner, but I'm just so exhausted after today. We are getting ready for bed. Raylan has school in the morning. And he's supposed to be putting on his pajamas, but obviously he's being silly.
Hey, what? Where's my friends?
You need to wash your face, man.
No, let's forget about it. What?
Getting ready for bed. Rylan is here. He's already off to sleep. Or trying to. I should say trying to. So we're having...
Happy! What's your happy video? Happy.
Alright, it's time for you to go to bed. Say good night.
Good night. I watch YouTube.
Always on YouTube.
I don't watch YouTube still.
I know. Okay, let's watch YouTube.
Yay!
Nighttime.
Nighttime. Bye. I'm going Bye-bye.
Currently 6:22 and Rylan's up for his next feed. Breakfast for Rylan. Disgusting. It's time for Raylan to get up for school. So currently in the boys' room, getting ready to pick out an outfit for Raylan. Let's see. I like to put him on play clothes, I guess you could say, when he goes to school, so he's not messing up his really good clothes, because he ends up being really dirty, putting holes all in his clothes. So this is, I don't ever put him on nothing too fancy for school, because he goes there just to obviously play. Alright, I usually give him 2 options, so he'll feel like he's picking out his own clothes in the morning. But I don't do too much. I usually just give him 1 shirt and a couple of pairs of pants. Or I'll do 1 pair of pants and 3 shirts for him to choose from. Just so he's like feeling like he's a part of the process of getting ready. And now I gotta go back over there and try to wake him back up. It is time to wake up for school, Mr. Raylan. Say, Raylan, Raylan? Yes, Mama. Raylan, Raylan? It's time to get up, sweets. You have to go to school. You have to. You have to go to school. Don't we like school? Let's go take you a bath. You ready? Because you didn't get a chance to take one last night. So come on, Mr. Captain Underpants. Come tell all your friends about Captain Underpants. Since you wanted to stay up watching Captain Underpants, sir. Oh, this one started fussing a little bit. So I just brought him upstairs to his room. Gonna put him in his crib. And then get Raylan dressed. He's currently taking a bath.
I had a bad dream.
You had a bad dream? What was your dream about?
I'm not gonna tell because it was a secret.
Raylan is dressed for school, just gotta brush his hair. So Raylan decided he didn't honestly want grits, so he's having milk and yeah.
It's a hot dog. It's I also eating screws for breakfast.
Alright, Raylan is ready to go to school.
Nanny, lock this door.
Have a good day. No, sir. Raylan is going for school. Raylan is down for a nap, so I'm getting ready to get myself together. Yesterday was pretty crazy. I didn't get a chance to really tell y'all about the doctor's visit or the small business workshop. So yesterday we went to the doctor with Raylan and Rylan. Rylan was going for his 2-month checkup and shots, and Raylan was going for his ears. Now Raylan has had trouble with his ears for some time. Probably when he was about 2 years old, he used to get back-to-back ear infections, and they just weren't clearing up. So they decided that he probably needed tubes, so he got the tubes. But probably when he was about 3.5, the tubes had fallen out, and then he started back to having fluid in his middle ear, which is preventing him from really being able to hear clearly. I'm just thankful that it's not affecting his speech as of yet, but we're just in the process of trying to get all of that straightened out. So that's what the doctor's visit was about yesterday. We were supposed to go see an audiologist, a little specialist, to check his hearing, but since he failed the hearing test at the doctor and we realized that he still has fluid in his ears, it would have been no point to take him to the specialist. That would have just wasted a lot of time. So we just canceled that appointment. He is on a more aggressive treatment for his ears now, so they have him on a 3-day medicine plan instead of the usual 2 times a day for 10 days. So we're hoping that this clears it up, but if not, he'll be checked in a month from now, and if this doesn't clear it up, then he'll have to go back and get tubes in his ear. So this is not like a permanent fix. It's just something temporarily, and hopefully he grows out of it. So that was the doctor's visit. And Rylan was good. You know, I told you all of his things yesterday at the doctor. Of course, he got his shots and he did great. I thought he was going to stay up all night fussing, but he went to sleep. He didn't have a fever or anything. He wasn't really just in a lot of discomfort as I thought that he would be. So I'm happy about that. Okay. So after I left the doctor's appointment, I had to go to a small business workshop. I'm trying to start an online business with branded merchandise that goes along with my blog and even now my YouTube, kind of making a human connection to my blog. It's another way for people to support me and to reach out to me in a sense, I guess. So I went to the small business workshop to learn information about starting a business and all the tools that I need to be successful. So it was a great way yesterday to just network with like-minded individuals. And I suggest if you're going to start a business or if you're already running a business, that it's always good to go out to these workshops and get information because things are always changing. And because you can bounce out, the whole mission is to just I guess get my brand out there a little bit more, putting the human connection to my blog, just letting people know that, I don't know, I just feel like an online store is a good way to connect with your base in a sense. So, of course, I want to make money, but it's not like my ultimate goal. My goal is to have things that people can kind of remember our jumbled thoughts by. So, that's pretty much that. I'm going to probably check in a little bit later with you all and show you all my checklist and kind of what I'm doing. If you're interested, I don't know if this stuff is boring or not, but this is my life right now while I'm not working and anything like that. So I'm just all day sitting at home, blogging, editing for the YouTube channels, and marketing on social media. That's pretty much my day. It's because it keeps my mind busy, and I feel like I like that because of being postpartum, you worry about the baby blues, and I think an idle mind is like the perfect recipe for, postpartum depression. So I like to keep busy. I like to make sure my mind is always on something, but I do take time for myself as well. Because that's very important. Self-care is very important. It's not selfish. You do need to take time out for yourself. So like when my mom comes home, over to her for like 20 minutes, and I'll just take a moment to like breathe, not work on anything at all, and just to kind of like have a little bit of time to myself to regroup, and then I'm good to go. But I need those 20 minutes sometimes. It's a little sloppy, but I kind of have my business checklist down packed. So of course I start with the business idea, which I have written plans. I'm getting there with the business plans, operating plan, operating budget, my startup budget. I kind of have an idea, but I need to like write it down on paper just in case I need a lender or anything like that. Or if I need to explain my business to someone, I'll have the figures and the numbers. And I need to apply for an LLC. That way my business is protected. I'm going to take my time and make sure everything is done correctly, but this is the business checklist that I created for myself. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to be adding more things as down the line, but this is kind of like the basis of what I'm doing. Up from his nap here. So I'm getting ready to change his diaper. We have to use this cream here for him for his diaper area. He has a funny looking rash, so we're hoping that this clears it up. Right, Bugs? Rylan is up from his nap, and he just had something to eat, so I like to keep him awake a little bit during the day. Not only because he just ate and I don't want him to sit up, but just so he sleeps better at night. So, some tummy time. Yeah, you tell him what you were doing. So now I'm getting ready to read him some books. So first we're going to start with Polar Bear, what do you hear? It says, Polar Bear, what do you hear? I hear a lion roaring in my ear. Lion, what do you hear? I hear a hippopotamus snoring in my ear.
Hippopotamus, hippopotamus, what do you hear? I hear flamingo. I hear flamingo fluting in my ear. Flamingo, flamingo, what do you hear? I hear a zebra braying in my ear. So the next book we're about to read is this one. Well, I guess it's like a little baby's first stories and songs. So it's really, really cute board book. And it plays music, as you can hear. So it has a little button here to press for the music. It says, let's make music. Yes, we can. With our voices and our hands. Can you hum a rum pum pum? That's the sound from a drum, drum, drum. Clap your hands. Can we clap our hands? Let's see. Clap our hands. Clap fast and then slow. Clap up high and clap down low. You don't like me messing with your hands at all. You're like, you're not feeling that one. Sing out loud, then sing quiet. La 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 la, go on, you try it. Giving him some time on his mat. He loves this little thing here. Are you looking for your mirror? Yeah. This is his new thing. Carly at the park.
Hello. I'll put the bags and my jacket on. It really was now. Rylan here.
Yeah.
Oh, damn it. Look, Mommy.
Yep, I see.
Look, look.
This is the park that we are at currently. It is cold. I'm probably about to head back to the car and wait on my mom and Raylan. We're trying out a new park. We just moved to the neighborhood, so we're just looking around, seeing what's out here. But it's really cold. Alright, we're back in the car from being out at the park. I think we're just crazy because it's cold and we decided to go to the park. But we're finally back in the car. I don't think I'll be doing anything interesting Thursday or Friday, so I'll go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching this video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!